Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make some chicken spring rolls. So first you're going to add some oil in a pan and you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger, and then you're just going to cook that for a little bit. Then you're going to add 1 cup of shredded chicken breast. I cooked it already. I will link down a recipe of how I made it down below. And then you're just going to mix everything together, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 cup of shredded cabbage and a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots and a 1/4 cup of spring onions, and you're just going to mix everything together. So I have a question. What's the correct word? Is the correct word to stir everything together, or is the correct word to mix everything together? Please just help me out. Comment down below if you know the correct word. So I'm not even going to attempt to butcher the name here, but just add that sauce, about 1 tablespoon, and then just stir everything together. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of an extra hot sauce that you have, whichever that you have in your house. You can just add that, or if you don't like hot sauce, you can just skip this part. Once everything is cooked, you're going to remove from heat and set aside. So now you're going to get your spring rolls ready, which was a very difficult process to separate each of them. They are so thin, and one silly mistake, it's going to tear up. So yeah, and then your chicken filling. Then yeah, you see me adding the chicken filling onto the spring roll, and then I'm going to roll it up a bit. The first one was also difficult for me, but then I got used to it. And then you're just going to take egg wash or water, and you're just going to brush the ends. This is going to help the spring roll to stick, and the filling inside is not going to spill. So we're going to repeat it again. First you're going to take the spring roll, and then you're going to get your egg wash, and you're just going to brush it around the ends. You're going to take your chicken filling, and you're going to put it like at the center or just below the center of the spring roll, and you're going to roll like that. So the more I did it, the more I got the hang of it. It's actually easy, but you just have to be gentle because the spring roll is just so thin. And if you're aggressive and stuff, it's going to tear up. I'm telling you, you're going to see the last ones that I did. I was running out of patience when I was separating them. That's why they turned out to look like that. That's one of the messed up ones, but this one actually looks better. Trust me, you're going to see the last one. I think the last one that I did, I actually had to fold it because it was just that bad. That's the one, guys. But once you're done, you're just gonna set that aside, and you're going to heat up some oil, and you're going to add your spring rolls one at a time. I don't really remember like how long I cooked them for, but you can just cook them up until you see that they're now starting to get golden brown. Then you're just gonna have to flip them over. So once that's done, you're just going to transfer them onto a kitchen towel. This helps with absorbing the extra oil because we're frying the spring rolls. Yeah. Then after that, you're just going to repeat the process with the rest of the spring rolls. And that's how they turned out, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.